Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to share with you today a very refreshing and delicious recipe. It's something that my friends have asked me so many times to do, so that's why I'm actually doing it today to show you. I'll be making coconut pudding. Yes, so for all you coconut lovers who enjoy eating coconut, I'm really sure you're going to love this. So I am going to show you the ingredients. So let's get started. Now for this recipe, I am taking 1 cup of milk, half cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'm using 4 tablespoons of Agar Agar powder. Now that's the powder that I'm using. You can get this in the grocery stores. It's like a vegetarian version of gelatin. And this is my secret ingredient. I am using about 1 can of coconut cream. So it's not coconut milk, it's coconut cream. And I'll be adding a few drops of coconut essence and 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's really easy. Basically, there's no steps involved in this. You just need to take a pan and boil everything and then let it cool down. So very easy. All right, so let's get started. So I'm just going to turn the flame on. You have to make sure that it's on low flame all the time. Now I will be adding the milk and add in the sugar. So give it a good mix and slowly bring it to a boil. Now you can see that this is boiling. Scrape all the sides, okay, all around. And now you are going to add the coconut cream. Now it's very important that you add coconut cream instead of coconut milk. As I said, I am using 1 can, about 400 grams of coconut cream, not coconut milk, because you want that creamy, smooth texture in the pudding. And this is what will give it that texture. So keep stirring and make sure you scrape it all around. At this point, you will be adding the sweetened condensed milk. So I'm just gonna pour everything in. You can alter the amount of sweetened condensed milk that you're using. If you don't want it to sweet, obviously you can just add 1 or 2 tablespoons. There you go. And again, mix it. So you want to keep stirring so it doesn't burn at the bottom or stick to the pot. And just add a few drops of coconut essence. This is to enhance that flavor of the, coconut. But if you don't have it, that's okay. At this point, it will already feel like a thick mixture. So that's when you know that, it's good now. It's reduced a little. So now I will be adding the Agar Agar powder. And again, mix it properly so everything gets dissolved. At this point, it is ready. It started to boil pretty quick, so now I know that I need to turn the gas off, and that's ready. All right, so this has been boiling for 10 minutes now and it's ready. You just need to let it cool down for about 5 minutes before pouring it into the actual container to put in the fridge. Okay, so the mixture now has cooled down. All you need to do is just pour it into the container and put it in the fridge. So that's what I'm going to do now. Well, now it's going to be the hardest part, which is basically to wait for it to set in the fridge. Allow it to rest for about 2 minutes before covering it, and then it can go into the fridge. Well, it's been 2 hours now. I have taken this out of the fridge and I am going to check this. Well, this looks perfectly set. Now, just to make sure, I am going to just insert a toothpick in it. All right, to see if it comes out clean. Well, if it does, obviously it means that it's ready to be served. Now with a palette knife, I am just going to gently scrape all around. To make sure that it comes out clean. And it's ready. I normally sprinkle some coconut powder on top, so just take spoonfuls and just sprinkle it. Just spread it with your spoon, and this is done. Well, now is the fun part. This has pretty much set very nicely, so I am going to slice through it, and that's ready to be served. Now make sure that you serve it to your guests always chilled. It should be really cold and nice, and you know, it's a perfect dessert in the summer. All my friends love this. There you go. That's how it should look like. Perfect square. And I am just going to put it on my plate here, and I am now going to try this. It looks perfect. It has the perfect texture when I'm cutting through it. Yeah. That is a party in my mouth. No, seriously, this tastes amazing. Okay, it's something that I would definitely encourage you to try. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. I shall see you in my next video. I'm gonna eat this. Mauritian girl, Mauritian dessert. Bye!